praise him in the evening. Praise him when you're smiling, praise him when you're breaking. Praise him in the sun and praise him in the starlight. Praise him every season.
Johannes 3 verse 16 e re modimo o ratile lefatshe hakakang a nehela ka mora hae ya tswetseng a inosa go ke bana ba bantse ba kena
Come on everybody, time to start dancing. Celebrate, celebrate, shout it from the mountaintop. Celebrate, celebrate, even with a broken heart. Till total ways we'll sing your praise, dancing in the dark. For all the days our song will say, Lord, how great you are. Sing it out loud, sing it out strong, 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 sing it out loud, sing it out strong.
Ek is van die Ronde Kerk en ek ondersteun
Ek is
Winterhoop.
van KPMG en ons ondersteun projek Winterhoop.
Ek ondersteun Winterhoop.
Goeiedag. Ek is van die Ronde Kerk en ek ondersteun projek
Ek is van
Winterhoop.
KPMG en ons ondersteun projek Winterhoop.
Thank you. I'd like to thank House of Praise for the donation of their blankets for our kids. I am very, very much happy for them and God bless you, House of Praise members. Thank you.
I'd like to thank the House of Mercy once more. Thank you very much.